Good morning, students. Open page number 61. Today we shall start the new lesson, finding the toothbrush. Finding the toothbrush means daily also we will find, isn't it? Daily morning also we will search. If you are kept somewhere, that time also we will search. But here, in this lesson, Speaker, George and Harris. These are the characters here. Speaker is Jerome A. Jerome. His name is. The speaker himself is explaining this lesson here. So his friends are George and Harris. So they are going for a trip, for a tour. So they want to pack the bag. So what happened? They are finding very difficult to find the toothbrush. It's all about this packing the bag. If you are going to the tour. So first warm up we will see here. Imagine you are going on a holiday. Read this list of things to pack. Strike out the things that you will not take. Add two more things that you will pack. So here, what they are telling, imagine you are going for a tour, for a holiday. So then you will pack the bag, isn't it? When you are going to your relations place also, in holidays, that time you pack the bag, isn't it? So what are the things here we pack? Clothes, washing powder, towel, medicines, valuable jewelry, homework, tickets, shoes, camera, one meal for every day. So these are the things they have given here. So you have to take this one which you are taking and strike out, put cross mark which you are not taking, and here you have to write two more things that you are going to take. So here the speaker and his two friends George and Harris are going on a boating holiday on the river Thames in England. Read on to find out how they managed to finish their packing. So where they are going, these three friends, they are going for the holiday boating on a river, on a river Thames in England. There they are going. So for that purpose, they are packing the bag. So how they will pack the bag? In this lesson we will come to know. We made a list of things to be taken the next day. We got them all together and met in the evening to pack. We put everything in a heap in the middle of the floor, sat around and looked at it. So what the speaker is saying here, Jerome, before going to this tour, what they did this one, list everything, whatever they have to, what are the things they want to take, they have made the list. And the next day what they all put on the floor, they all put their heap means first untidy. In a random way they kept all these things on the floor, on the middle of the floor, and sat around and looked at it. And they sat there around that all materials. These three friends sat and they looked. I said I would pack. So here the speaker is saying that he told that he will pack the bag. I am rather proud of packing skills. I told George and Harris that I had better leave the whole matter to me. They had agreed to the suggestions so readily that I was taken aback. George settled down in the easy chair and Harris put his legs upon the table. So when he told that, when the speaker told that he is very expert in packing the bag. That time they agreed. They agreed that yes, you can pack. That time what they did? Readily means quickly. They quickly accepted. George settled down in an easy chair and Harris put up his legs on the table. So you can see here, George is sitting in an easy chair, and Harris put his legs on the table. They are sitting. So here, the speaker he is a speaker. Now he has sat for the packing purpose. This was not really what I had wanted. What I had meant, of course, was that I should boss the job and that Harris and George should work under my directions. So this was not his intention. His intention was to boss the job. He wanted to supervise them, what they are doing. This speaker wanted them to work and just he wanted to supervise them. But here it had happened reverse only. So he is surprisingly he is seeing both of them. He wanted to give orders to him how to do work. But instead of what happened here, he only sat to do work. However, I did not say anything. I started the packing. It seemed a longer job than I had thought, but I finished the packing the bag at last and sat on it and strapped it. So what happened? He did not say anything, and what he started packing the bag, and lastly he packed the bag and he put the zip. Aren't you going to put the boots in? Said Harris. So after all packing, now Harris said that, aren't you going to put the boots in? Means the boots are outside only, outside the bag. So now he is saying that after packing everything completed work, now Harris is saying that, you will pack this boot or no? I looked around and saw that I had forgotten to pack the boots. That's just like Harris. He did not say a word like while I was packing. He waited until I had shut and strapped the bag so that I would have to reopen it. So what the speaker is saying here? After finishing everything, he sat quiet only. After putting the zip, now he is telling. Now he is remembering that one. What here? Just like Harris. Means here, Harris is compared to this. Here, Harris is compared to this boots. Okay. I opened the bag and packed the boots in, and then I was going to close it. I had a horrible idea. Had I packed my toothbrush? So now he packed everything. He packed the boot also. Now he remembered that whether he has packed his toothbrush or no. He remembered now. Whenever I am traveling, my toothbrush makes my life miserable. When I go to sleep, I dream that I have not packed it. I wake up in a cold perspiration, get out of bed and search for my toothbrush. In the morning, I pack it before I have used it. So I have to unpack again to get it. I always have to rush upstairs for it at the last moment and finally carry it out to the railway station wrapped up in a handkerchief. So what he is telling, whenever this speaker is going to the tour, any other place, he is always forgetting this toothbrush. He is forgetting the. So what the speaker is saying here? whenever I am traveling, my toothbrush makes my life miserable. When I go to sleep, I think that I have not packed it. I wake up in cold perspiration, get out of bed and search for my toothbrush. So what the speaker is telling here, whenever he is going to any tour, that night he will see in the dream that he has not packed the brush. Suddenly at night he will get up and he will pack that brush. Perspiration means what? Sweating because of fear. Okay. In the morning I pack it before I have used it. So I have to unpack again to get it. I always have to rush upstairs for it at last moment and finally carry it out to the railway station wrapped up in a handkerchief. So at night what we do, we get up and he will pack that toothbrush. In the morning again he have to brush his teeth. Again he will remove that. Again he will remove that brush from the bag and he will brush the teeth. Again he will forget and he will keep outside only. While going to the tour in the morning, he will remember the brush. That time what he will do? He will take that brush and he will put that brush in his handkerchief and he will take to the railway station. So this much today's lesson. I think you have understood this one. Tomorrow I will continue. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can call and ask me. Thank you.